Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This is the playlist about flow control in Unreal, and we will cover the nodes that help us control the flow of our blueprints. There are a couple of nodes that are frequently used when you're making blueprints, and in this series of videos I will cover them one by one and explain them so you can have a better understanding of them and be able to use them properly in your projects. The node I'm going to cover in this video is branch. Here I have made a simple blueprint and dragged this into the scene, and I also have an event tick node so the code runs on every frame, and also a print string to showcase what happens in our blueprints. Let's right click and type branch, and as you can see, you can find it here under flow control panel. This is basically an if node, so you can also type if, and here you see that the branch is highlighted. What it does is pretty straightforward and easy to understand. When it is triggered, it looks at the condition here, and if it's true, it will trigger the true output, and if it's false, it will trigger the false output. So let's make another print string, and then if it's true, let's type branch is true, and if false, branch is false. Now as you can see, when I check the condition, the true output will be triggered, and I can see the text in the print string number 1. And if I uncheck it, print string number 2 will be activated, and I can see the text I wrote for it on the screen. Here we are playing with the condition inside the node. Of course, you can also make a Boolean variable and control your branch by setting your Boolean. Let's make one here and drag it into the scene and go with set. Then I'm going to add enable input to the event begin play, and here connect get player controller to be able to give input to my blueprint. Next, let's type keyboard and add a key event to our blueprint and connect it to the set node. Then I'm going to connect the Boolean we made to the branch. The flow here is that on event tick, the branch looks at this Boolean here and acts based on its value. The default value of the Boolean is false, so it will go to the false output and trigger our print string number 2, which will print branch is false on our screen. When I press 1 on the keyboard, the value of the Boolean will change to true, and then the branch will change its output to true, and the print string number 1 will be activated. That is pretty much how the branch node behaves. It has a lot of use cases in game logic. For example, the condition for the branch can be the state of the character. It can be a Boolean, and let's name it is dead, and here what happens is that if it's false, which means the character is alive, this chain of events should take place, and if it's true, which means our character is dead, this chain of events should happen. For example, it can be splashing blood, the game overtakes, dropping his guns on the ground, and things like this. Yeah, and that's it for this video, and I hope you learned something new. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.